Welcome back to the Mental Picks, and we're gonna talk about most popular, let's say most profitable retailers for your Amazon FBA by doing retail arbitrage hunts. And we're going straight to the point, which one is gonna be top 3, and we're gonna start with number 1. Name is gonna be Currys. Because of electronic sale events, Currys dropping constantly these sale events for price liquidations, or they got old stock which one needs to be moved out and new stock coming in. So Currys dropping some ridiculous clearances related to electronics. And like I said in previous video, electronics is the most profitable inventory to be sold on Amazon FBA, and all sellers really wants that. Obviously, majority of sellers gonna say, hey, returns are not acceptable because there is some 1 year, 2 years time frames which one customers can be shipping back damaged goods or not packed back all inventory into the box, or box missing. It's part of the Amazon business, guys. Who's selling on Amazon, you know these situations happens constantly, so it's not big difference related to electronics inventory. Obviously, sometimes it's not looking good, but it's part of this business. Going back to the point of this Currys situation, Currys got the best electronic sales in all United Kingdom, and majority of YouTubers not talking about that. So here we go, Mental Picks sharing the best stores with you, and I'm gonna show you some couple of examples on my computer on private group, how it looks actually sales itself and profitabilities, and you can see clearly what's happening with the situation. So let's jump in. So we're going straight to the Discord private group, Mental Picks private group, and we're gonna scroll all these online arbitrage lead sections to the basically retail arbitrage section, which one is called Currys. We need Currys, and let's check it what we got. So this is the latest deals. Drop it to our private group members and check this out. Like you see, there is some nice profitability, 71% ROI, 160 SPM. So crazy good numbers looking on these Currys price drops. And like you see, we got loads and loads of deals related to Currys activities. And check this out, all of them is crazy good looking numbers actually. So that's how good Currys is. Basically, we got some expensive stuff too. Like you see, 43 and selling for 112 pounds. So it's ridiculous numbers looking on these lead drops. 43 pounds in profit. So it's ridiculous. ROI it's 98%, almost 100. SPM is low, but for that profitability is ridiculous. And some viewers would be saying, listen Thomas, it could be most likely price dump or whatever, but let's check it. Let's quickly just check it together and let's see what's happening. Using Bible Pro, you can use whatever sourcing app you want. Basically check this out. It's not only 112 pounds selling right now, but it's almost 160, so price even increased. So it's ridiculous profitability on these sets. And check this out. How much profits we got? We got 83 pounds in profits, 190% ROI. So it's a ridiculous situation with these lead drops. And check this out, price is just increasing. So how good is that looking? Crazy. And we got loads and loads and loads of these leads daily coming in. So it's ridiculous profitability on this Currys lead drops, and I think you should definitely try this. So how it was Currys? Ridiculous, yeah. So we're going straight to the number 2. It's gonna be Boots. Boots is very popular. Basically, majority of Amazon sellers knows who is Boots, and most the ridiculous beauty liquidations, let's say beauty sales, beauty clearances, it's happening each day basically on Boots shelves. If some of you not believing me, check this out. Let's go. Let's check it. So okay, we're going straight to the Boots sections. Retail arbitrage Boots. What we got? Check this out. We're scrolling latest lead drops. Like I said previously in previous videos, buying for a couple of pounds and selling for 20, for 30 pounds. And check this out, profits over 10 pounds by purchasing only for 3 pounds each. So it's ridiculous. ROI is 354. Ridiculous. And majority of leads looking like this, very similar, just picking up for a couple of pounds and selling for 20, for 30, for 15. So various very profitable situations on Boots shelves. check this out, paying 60, selling for 150, 62 pounds in profits. Ridiculous, over 100% ROI. Wow. And we got different brands and different situations happening in this Boots clearance shelves. So like you see, and you should try this definitely too, on top of Currys. Boots, delicious. So we're going straight to the number 3, and it's gonna be Asda, basic Asda situation by doing retail arbitrage at your local Asdas. Majority of sellers not gonna understand what I'm telling you right now, but Asda is the most interesting, really interesting store to be done by retail arbitrage sourcing activities, and you can find ridiculous electronics, baby stuff, games. Check this out. So we're going now to the Asda retail arbitrage leads. Check this out, latest drops. 2 pennies, selling for over 30 pounds, 25 pounds in profits minimum. ROI is 126,550% ROI. So ridiculous numbers. And this is national sale, guys. This is not local. This is national for 2 pennies everywhere. So basically free money. Check this out. Another one game. Again, this is Asda, guys. Asda, your local Asdas. Again, buying for 7, selling for 17, almost 5 pounds in profits. Good, nice. We had, I think, lots of games, and check this out. Another one, 1 pound. Again, national clearances, selling for 31. Ridiculous. Over 20 pounds in profits. ROI, ridiculous. SPM, not super high, but it's still selling. What else we got? Another one game. Again, purchasing for 4 pounds, selling for almost 40 pounds. Profits are crazy too. SPM, check this out, 642 SPM, 682 ROI. So another one great retail arbitrage section from multiple sections to be sourced by you by doing retail arbitrage sourcing activities. You should definitely try this. Obviously, you don't need to use our lead drops services. If you want extra on top, we got you. But I'm just teaching how it's easy to be done your local retail arbitrage activities for your Amazon FBA sales, basically by checking just main retailers, let's say Currys, Boots, Asda, let's go more, Sainsbury's, Morrisons, Tesco, you name it. You can put maybe 20, 30 retailers, your local ones, basically, and find multiple trolleys, and most of the time we're coming out with some pallets even from the stores. I think it sounds ridiculous when I'm saying pallets, but literally you can drag it out, pallets from the store itself, like Tesco or Sainsbury's. That's how it looks, professional retail arbitrage activities. I hope you liked this video, and check my other videos on the right side, and till next time, guys.